Very good morning to everyone. Thank you, Beta, Rinki Beta, and UKG A, UKG B for inviting me over the podium. A very beautiful assembly on a very important topic, that is importance of education, that how education plays an important role in our lives. And that's what we are trying to do in the school. You are coming to the school, your parents are doing hard work, that they are making you ready with your lunch, with your dress, and with everything. And then you are coming to the school to get, to understand, to learn new skills, to get some knowledge, and to become a better human being. Class UKGB students put forward a very eloquent, in a very eloquent manner, that they aware and enlighten us about the education. Students talk about that why education is so important. It allow us to make better decisions. We can deal with the life challenges. When we pass out from the school, we have to deal number of issues from the society, and what we are trying to do in the school, that we will be making a better society. When we'll move out from the school, we will be expertise, we have the overall development, we have overall growth, and when we are coming out, we gonna add something to our country, add something to our society, and create a better space for living. Students mentioned a very finer details. All big round of applause for UKG A. Again UKG B. I do get confused. UKG B. And big round of applause for Neha ma'am also, that she prepared the students in such a beautiful manner. I think one of the highlight of this assembly which I have noticed, everything was perfectly done, but the way Devanshi did a Hindi prayer, it was not so easy to remember such a long prayer, and there were difficult words were also there. So big round of applause for Devanshi also. And I do congratulate Neha ma'am also, that she took a very interesting prayer, and in such a way it allow us to understand the inclusiveness, that we have the different cultures. We need to be aware about all the cultures, all the sentiments, which can be inculcated in such a manner only. So big round of applause for Neha ma'am and UKGB. A very beautiful presentation. This is also one aspect of the creativity. The way students came here, they are awareing us about the education, and morely it is all about the how we can represent our views in the assembly. So there have been few highlights, as I mentioned. The first one is prayer. Then ma'am has used up a drum also, and the way students are standing here, that the whole world is recognized with the students. So that's a good work, and a very simple and a beautiful card with lot of information. Ma'am has mentioned certain things, that education help people out of poverty, economic growth. So that has been the fact, that if we have a better education, if our literacy rate has been growing the day we got the independence, it will lead to the growth of our country. जैसे बोला जाता है कि आप ही लोग फ्यूचर हैं, आप ही आगे जाके देश को संभालेंगे, और जितना अच्छा है हमारा आज के बच्चे, अच्छी एजुकेशन मिल पाएगी, अच्छी हेल्थ मिल पाएगी, उतने ही अच्छे हमारे यहाँ पे स्कूल्स होंगे, उतने ही अच्छे हमारे यहाँ पर हॉस्पिटल्स होंगे, इतना ही अच्छा हमारा एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन होगा, इतने ही अच्छे लोग होंगे जो देश को चलाएंगे। और वो लोग मेरे सामने ही समक्ष खड़े हैं, जिनको आगे जाकर देश को चलाना है. They have to deal with number of issues. They have to take up a big positions. And I'm glad and I'm 100% sure that NR Global School will have a big space in that scenario, because we have been doing tremendous work in the academic, and there is a magical work which we have been doing. I haven't seen. I have studied in one of the finest institute, whether it is the college or the school, but I haven't seen the way our students coming forward on the stage. and putting forward their views. You can, and we will able to understand when we are going to other schools or the higher institute. Even now, lot of data is available on the YouTube also. So आपको ऐसी वीडियोस नहीं मिल पाएंगी जैसा हम यहाँ पर एक मैजिक क्रिएट कर रहे हैं. एंड आई एम अ फर्म बिलीवर ऑफ मैजिक. मैजिक तभी होता है जब हम अपने हाथों से मेहनत करते हैं. एंड आई डू बिलीव द वे वी हैव बीन प्रिपेयरिंग द स्टूडेंट्स, द वे द स्टूडेंट्स आर कमिंग फॉरवर्ड ऑन द स्टेज, it has been a tremendous and remarkable work. So I do request you to applause for yourself the way these students came and all the faculty members have been doing. तो जैसे सभी बच्चे बहुत अच्छा अच्छा लंच लेकर आते हैं, तो जब भी लंच के टाइम पे मैं घूमता हूँ तो बड़ी अच्छी अच्छी खुशबू आती है. उसमें सभी मसालों का तड़का, आपकी डिमांड के हिसाब से आपका खाना आता है. हाँ, उसका जायका, उसका टेस्ट, हाँ बहुत देखा बच्चों का एकदम खुशी. लंच का नाम सुनते तो एकदम खिलखिलाहट आ गए. हाँ, तो उसी तरीके से यहाँ पर भी सारे मसाले पूरे थे. एवरीथिंग वाज परफेक्टली डन. एंड लंच आप खाते हैं, दिस इज द academic work which we have to digest from the mind. And I am a firm believer, I am a core academic guy कि मुझे फाइनल डिटेल्स चाहिए होती हैं. वो मेरी थोड़ी सी, दिस इज माई हैबिट ऑल्सो. एंड आई एम रियली हैप्पी व्हेन द स्टूडेंट्स कमिंग फॉरवर्ड एंड टीचर्स आर ऑल्सो डूइंग सच अ हार्ड वर्क. एंड ऑल्सो अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक ऑल्सो, दिस इज हाउ वी एबल टू get new insights, we able to progress, we able to give the new dimensions to whatever we are doing. So thank you so much for putting forward for such a beautiful assembly and enlightening us. Thank you so much. God bless you.
Thank you, sir, for motivation speech. Standards, attention. Standards, attention. I would like to call Divyanshi for national anthem. Get ready for national anthem. Start. जनगण मंगलदायक जया है भारत भाग्य विधाता. पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा. विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उछल जलस तरंगा. जब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे. गाए तब जया गाता. जनगण मंगलदायक जया है भारत भाग्य विधाता. जया है जया है जया 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 है. भारत माता की, भारत माता की वंदे वंदे. Assembly dispersed.